mild day with temperatures in the mid-70s across the viewing area and translated into a mild night. Temperatures in the mid-50s as of right now. Up lower 60s for Warner Robins and also McRae and Cordele. But on average, we're looking at temperatures mid-50s, except for Thomaston, still in the lower 50s at this point in time. And as we head throughout the overnight hours, we're not expecting a frigid night. We dropped into the 40s last night. But tonight, I think on the most part, we'll stay into the lower 50s. Now, dew point temperature is right there around the current temperature, and that's going to allow for the development of fog throughout the overnight hours. And also keep in mind, your temperature cannot drop below the dew point, so this is a good indicator of where we'll be first thing tomorrow morning. The dew point may drop about a degree or two throughout the overnight hours, so we may want to subtract a few degrees off this to find out where we'll be when we wake up and walk out the door tomorrow morning. Now, wind direction, big indicator on if we will see fog throughout the overnight hours with those high dew points as well. Wherever you're seeing that calm wind or low wind, that's the potential for some fog development. And I say that we should begin to start seeing fog develop as of right now as we head throughout the overnight hours. And possibly we may see some fog advisories first thing tomorrow morning as well. The wind will remain calm throughout the overnight hours. And as you take the forecast for your wind speed, just notice we may get some variation in the wind, but notice it's all coming in from the north and the west for the most part. And that's also bringing in some more cooler air and drier air at the surface. We still have some moisture inflow coming in the upper levels. That's going to contribute to the cloud cover as we progress throughout the night and over the next 3 days as well. Now, your temperature forecast, as we said, I think we'll still start off our morning in the lower 50s. Some locations north and west may start off in the upper 40s. Now, notice as we progress throughout the day, we'll see temperatures rebound pretty nicely. Another day in the mid-70s across the entire viewing area. Now, as we take a look at your satellite and radar, widen this on out, you see mostly cloudy skies right now. We enjoyed lots of sunshine today, but that's going to come to an end, unfortunately, for at least the next 3 days, 2-3 days. Maybe Wednesday we start to see the sun once again. And as we widen on now, we do have, we said earlier, we had the northerly wind bringing in the dry and cooler air. We will also have in the upper levels, the jet stream has set up shop over us, and that's going to also influence some cloud cover in the upper levels. And it may also bring a slight chance of rain, but since we're working with the dry air at the surface, it may be too dry for that rain to make its way to the surface, so we may see a lot of evaporation of our rainfall over the next couple of days. Now, your first look ahead, we start off with Monday morning. The clouds should move back into the forecast. That'll go developing in. And as we go into Tuesday, I think there's a chance we see rain Tuesday night and heading into Monday morning. The model's keeping this pretty clear at this point in time. But notice as we get into Wednesday, crystal clear skies is in our forecast and not much to complain about. This is going to be smooth sailing from that point on out. And also the temperatures take a plunge as well. We see daytime highs into the upper 60s. So as I said earlier, we start off our days in the lower 50s, but as we progress throughout the day tomorrow, take a look at the temperatures as we move through 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-70s, upper 70s for the southern communities, and even the lower 70s up north. And as we head throughout the overnight hours, temperatures will drop once again. Now, at this point in time, I think we'll get back